Hello friends, how are you? What are you doing now? Let's learn English. And now our topic, we will talk about weather. We should know the weather. What's the weather like in Bishkek? Let's think. I think you are at home, and please open your window and think what the weather like in Bishkek. How we can answer? It's sunny if we have sun, it's rainy if we have rain, and it's cloudy if we have clouds. You should think and do by yourself. In weather, in our topic, we have some vocabularies we should know. First one is sunny, when our weather is good and shiny, or we have sun like in picture. Next one is rainy. Do you like rain or not? Rainy when we have rain. Next one is cloudy. When we have lots of cloud, we call it like cloudy. Next one is foggy. And also in winter we have, of course, snow. In weather we call like snowy when we have snows. And also we have wind or windy. The weather, windy. Do you like stormy? For me, I don't like because I am afraid of stormy. And I think you also don't like stormy because when we have bad weather, when we have lots of rains, we have stormy. And here we have some vocabulary, how we pronounce all this vocabulary. First is hot. Hot. I give also transcription how we pronounce it. Hot. Just repeat after me. Next one, cold. Next, cloudy. Next, sunny. Next, windy. Next, rainy. And last one is snowy. Here I give you vocabulary with transcription how we can read. And here I have some questions for you. You should just think and answer. Is it always hot in summer? What do you think? We have summer and of course, yes, because it's very hot and sunny. Next one. Is it often cloudy in August? Please think it. Maybe, sometimes, yes or not, but mostly sometimes. Next question. Is it usually rainy in April? What do you think, guys? Of course, yes. In April, usually we have lots of rains. That's why we have rainy. Next one is it cold in December? Of course, yes. We have very cold weather in December. Here, we will do some exercises connecting with the topic, our lesson, the weather. Let's do exercise on page 173, exercise 5A. Look at the picture and write. Here, for example, I give you example. It's snowing. When we want to say, for example, about the weather, we always use with it's or it is. Here we have short form, that's why I write it's snowing. Next picture. What is it? You should think and do by yourself. Next, see. You should see picture and think and write your answer. In D also. In E, what do you see? You should write, think and write. Next, F. And I think it's not difficult for you because before I gave you some vocabularies and it was easy for you. Okay, let's check it. I think it was easy for you. First one, B, we have picture cloudy. That's why answer cloudy. Next, C, you should by yourself because we'll come back. D is windy because we have picture windy. E, we have picture rainy. That's why I think you write correct vocabulary words rainy. Next, F is sunny because we have picture of sun or sunny day. And last one, C, we come back. It was a picture of cold or in the winter time. That's why we write the word cold. Okay guys, you do this exercise. Now we have answers with vocabulary, with words, with our topic weather. Now your task is do by yourself with these words. You should make sentences. For example, in Bishkek now is cloudy, for example. You should maybe write just what do you think, or maybe you can do it by yourself. You can think and imagine what kind of weather do you like. For example, cold, we can use with winter and use this word cold because cold, you know, only we have in winter. Next, windy. When we have wind, for example, strong wind or maybe normal, yes? But you should think and make sentences with these words. You should do in your copybooks. Next, rainy. When we have our umbrellas, we always have rainy or rain. And last one, we have sun, and that's why the weather is sunny. You can do, for example, we have a sunny weather in summer, like it's my sentence. And next one, okay, I think you have 5 sentences, you done it. Then I think for you it was not difficult because we learned before these vocabularies. And now you should check or with your sister or brother or with your parents. Maybe we have some short mistakes or easy mistakes. That's why you should check with your parents and try to write correct form. I think our topic was useful for you and I think you understand because we love the weather. We should know all these words because we always use with the weather these vocabularies. And for homework, I will give you homework. Please open your books at page 174, exercise 6A, and your task is find the weather words, then match them with the pictures. I think the weather was for you very good and you learned lots of vocabularies, and I want to say you good luck and have a nice day.